Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the position of the tab. It's actually on the top. You can just make it on the left side or right side of your browser, on your vivaldi browser, on your computer by using this simple setting. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to switch the tab position on your vivaldi browser on your computer, just going to show in this video. To switch the tab position, actually the tab is on the top. This is called tab. So I just need to switch this tab position. So first of all, just click on the setting option on the bottom, or you can just use Ctrl F12 for the shortcut key to open this setting. Then after clicking on the setting option, you just have the option called tabs. Click this, and here you have this option called top. You can just switch to the left side. You can access the tabs on the left side or right side or bottom. So you can see I just going to the start page here, and I just can switch to this top or left side or right side or bottom side. This is how you just switch the tab position on your vivaldi browser on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable vivaldi browser content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.